Hey guys, it's Ellen here with another awesome unboxing. My last video I unboxed Tornado El Drago from the new Tornado Battlers line. This video I will unbox the second Bay in the set in the line, Tornado Eagle. It's a right spin Beyblade, and it looks like it'll have pretty good attack power because of the attack ring. That is, by the way, you cannot take these Beyblades apart, just to tell you, and they do not make sound, so yeah. And it looks a lot like a Flame Bixus, just to tell you. And on the back of the box, can move out of Bay Stadium penalty pockets, and a narrow defense tip for endurance. Looks like the exact same tip as El Drago to me. So let's open this baby up. Take out this piece first. By the way, this is kind of a cheat way to take it out. Here we have just a regular launcher. Kind of looks like the launcher that goes to Thermal Lacerda, if not the launcher that goes to Thermal Lacerda, because of its redness. Shine a little bit more light on that. So let's take out the bay. And wait. Got it. As you can see, well, no you can't, but the code right here, it's just one piece of paper. There's no point showing the parts because you can't customize with this line. Take out the bay, and here we go. Weighs a little bit. I will guess that it weighs less than El Drago. Yeah. Fail. So I'm going to cut and see how much it weighs, and I'll tell you how much. Okay, it weighs almost 2 grams less than Tornado El Drago. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Color schemes are red, black, gray, purple. This type of pink, purplish color for the tip. Let's try that again. I like what it does. It kind of like does this, which is kind of cool. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. My next video will be a battle of Tornado El Drago and Tornado Eagle. So stay tuned for that. Have fun, and bay away.